Book of Heaven, Volume 11, December 5th, 1916. The good that the soul who lives in the will of God does. I was doing my meditation, and according to my usual way, I was pouring all of myself in the will of my sweet Jesus. In the meantime, I saw an engine before my mind, which contained innumerable fountains, which spouted waves of water, of light, of fire. And rising up to heaven, these would pour upon all creatures. There was no creature who was not inundated by these waves. The only difference was that for some they entered inside, while for others, only outside. And my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, I am the engine, and my love keeps the engine in motion and pours over everyone. But for those who want to receive these waves, if they are empty and they love me, they enter into them, while the others are just touched in order to be disposed to receive such a great good. As for the souls who do my will and live in it, then they are inside the engine itself, and since they live of me, they can dispose of the waves that gush out for the good of others, and are now light that illuminates, now fire that ignites, now water that purifies. How beautiful it is to see these souls who live of my will, coming out from within my engine like as many other little engines, diffusing themselves for the good of all, and then they return into the engine and disappear from the midst of creatures as they live of me and me alone."